The density reading on this diamond is slightly elevated.
It's within tolerance. Approved for registration.
Utilizing laser cutting stations, the hour and minute hands are formed with microscopic accuracy before moving to the mirror polishing stage. Precision lubrication ensures the longevity of every component. Our AI-controlled robots achieve micron accuracy, supervised by master horologists. The oscillation remains stable across all 5 positions. Confirmed. The variance is well within chronometer standards. We have a successful seal on Chamber 3.
Acknowledged. All parameters are nominal.
RZ3B scan complete. Check the mapping results. Roger that. 3D surface looks flawless. Confirmed. The batch is secure in Chamber C5.
Acknowledged. Scan complete. The inventory is updated.
Clear the lane. Forklift approaching Zone 4. Acknowledged. All systems green for transport.
Transport 3 designated secure. Confirm all systems green. Systems green. Air support active. Proceed with departure. Cargo 4. Clear for loading. Roger that. Commencing sequence.
Attention all personnel. Inbound luxury shipment now processing at Automated Bay 3 for priority distribution.
Check the platinum diver. Angle needs adjustment.
Confirmed. The light is calibrated.
Notice the flawless finishing on the tourbillon movement right here.
Okay.
The craftsmanship is truly exceptional.
Thank you for your purchase. We sincerely hope you enjoy this exquisite timepiece.